gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, Financial Intelligence. I'm your host, Joseph Wallace Conley, and today's topic of discussion is going to be about silver. But like I say for every video, I'm not a financial analyst or a financial advisor. I'm just a student of basic financial education. So the reason why I want to talk about silver today is because it is completely underappreciated, undervalued, and it's also an inflationary asset. Currently, as I'm speaking to you, the spot price of silver is $22.34. Who doesn't have $22.34, ladies and gentlemen? And when I say contract price, what that means is that's the price that's set by the bullion banks, and it is extremely manipulated price. It's held down by derivatives or fake stock options by JP Morgan. And one of the questions always asked is why is JP Morgan, one of the owners of the Federal Reserve as well, fighting tooth and nail to suppress the price of silver? I mean, not only is it industrial metal, it's a monetary asset as well as a hedge against inflation. And it's undervalued dramatically, and it's affordable at $22.34 with a premium. So what's a premium? A premium is the cut down from the silver. So for example, it starts at 1,000-ounce bar, but then obviously it costs money to break it down further and further and further. So you can go from a 100-ounce bar to a 50-ounce bar to a 20-ounce bar to a 10, a 5, a 1, and even sometimes smaller than that. With the most unique one being an American Silver Eagle. Like I said, right now we're at $22.34 per spot price of silver. However, their premium is usually excessively higher, usually about $10 or more. Why? Because it's the most recognized asset within the United States or around the world, America. So, but the reason why I want to talk about it, the reason why I'm talking about it is because today, ladies and gentlemen, because where else, as I currently speak, where else am I going to put my energy and effort into investing? Or actually, I wouldn't necessarily call silver and gold, for that, I wouldn't necessarily call them an investment. I would call them insurance. Why? Is because investments usually give you some type of return. Gold and silver just sit there and collect dust, but they are a safe haven asset with zero counterparty risk. What does that mean? That means that unlike a rental property or stock or bond or crypto or any type of other asset, they are free from central bank and government interference and tinkering. All right, they're out of the system permanently. All right, so but that's another reason why you should look into purchasing it. Like I say, what can I invest in? Everything is so sky high. Stocks are sky high. Not all stocks, but some. One stock I'll probably look into is, probably miners. That'd be an interesting one that I've been looking into. I'll let you guys know how that goes. Housing market is extremely high right now. Same thing with bonds, and I don't even trust bonds. A bond is nothing but a blank check that's created all day by the Treasury. And so the only thing I truly see where I can put my energy and effort and my hard work is into silver. I'm not necessarily sure what other commodity there is. Ladies and gentlemen, just quick short video, but I just wanted to share that I absolutely enjoy purchasing it. My wealth has gone up exponentially. Like I said, it does not cash flow, it just sits there. But because I am very vocal about precious metals, I do secure mine in a third-party vaulting service. Just for security purposes, I don't keep any on me whatsoever. Or at least I try not to. Maybe a few pieces here and there, but for the most part, I keep mine in a third-party vaulting service, like a Brinks or something like that. But ladies and gentlemen, so why not position yourself early versus late? Because remember, ladies and gentlemen, wealth is never destroyed. It is merely transferred. So as the dollar continues to depreciate, where do you think people are going to run to find something that they trust? They're going to go back to gold and silver naturally. Why? Because of its properties. Right now in the news, nobody's talking about it. Nobody cares. It's underappreciated. So why wait? Why FOMO in at the last minute? Fear of missing out. Why do that? Why do people do that in general? Oh, look at the price of Bitcoin. Oh my God, it's so high, and they jump in. But then when it crashes, they sell. But remember, one thing about gold and silver, do not look at the price. The price is irrelevant. You want to look at its value. It's recognized all over the world. Look at its properties. It's a hedge against inflation. It has true intrinsic value. Why? Because you have to dig this stuff out of the ground. Their properties cannot be manipulated and copied in a lab. So that's why I say right now it's one of the best, most undervalued, most underappreciated assets, commodities that you can put your hard-earned work into, and it helps build your wealth. But ladies and gentlemen, like I always say, please like, please share, please subscribe, please comment. I've been getting a lot of dialogue. I appreciate it. But like I always say, please self-educate and educate others. Thank you, and have a very good day.